Obviously, I'm excited about what we're doing at Flare to expand the use of XRP. And I think, I'd like to see with XRP, other people, build more use cases. My name is Hugo Fillion, co-founder and CEO of Flare. Flare expands what's possible on the XRP ledger by adding in full smart contract capability with really nice interoperability. Flare is an L1 principally focused on data. So that is the sort of core technical innovation we make. We've built a blockchain based around data protocols, and we did that in order to create interoperability. So we built FXRP, which is the bridge from XRP ledger to Flare, and that then allows you to get XRP into a fully fledged smart contract environment, which then allows you to deploy that into applications. And those applications are things like borrow and lend, where you can use your XRP as a collateral asset, borrow against it, borrow stablecoins, potentially other things like commodities or gold, which then allows you to deploy those stablecoins into other markets where they make a yield. So you're taking your XRP and getting yield from it. What we've also done is integrated wallets. We've created a system whereby you can actually control your XRP on Flare directly from the XRP ledger. What we will be able to do in the future is that Flare is building what we call Flare Confidential Compute, which is a layer that sits outside of Flare but uses trusted execution environments to verify what has happened inside of that confidential compute, where you can run applications that you couldn't run on a blockchain because they're too heavy, such as AI models. We have consistent AI monitoring, risk metrics, all of which enable us to take action if there's anything that goes wrong. Institutions will really only come and play when you have meaningful privacy. So I think these are prerequisites to any form of institutional DeFi. So that's how we kind of extend the capabilities, and we think what Flare gives to Ripple and to the XRP ledger is the ability to do more with issued RWAs once they are issued. It's a huge area of expansion that both benefits Flare and, more importantly, benefits Ripple and the XRP ledger.